Hi guys, welcome back to AIM-AMIE. So in this video we will be learning about drones. You all might be very curious about what is drone, what is the function of drones and how does they work. So guys, drones are the UAVs, which is the unnamed aerial vehicles having no name, or RPAS, which is remotely piloted aerial systems which can be accessed from a remote. So it is typically known as a drone. So how to identify a drone? The first one we having the quadcopter, which is having 4 wings and 4 rotors. The vertical lift and thrust we get is very less in case of quadcopter than that of the hexacopter, which is having the 6 wings and 6 rotors. The next one over here comes as the octacopter, having the 8 wings and 8 rotors, having the maximum upward lift and thrust. So guys, next comes the size of drone. So guys, the size differentiate, there is a lot of variation in the size. It can be like handheld, like it can fit on the palm of your hand up to your room particular. It can be like remotely operated by the radio control waves. The size of the drone variously depends upon the following factor, that is the number of the rotors, that is 4, 6 or 8. The next one is the lifting capacity, that is how much weight a drone can carry. The next one is the air time, for how much period of the time it flies in the air. The next one is the manufacturing purpose. So if it is a spy drone, it has to be small, that is the size depends upon the manufacturing purpose, just like this, a very small drone. The next one is the anatomy of drone. So guys, this particular image showing us that this is a quadcopter having 4 wings and 4 rotors. The body, which is made up of the carbon fiber, so it can be called as a housing body. So we are having the various parts like nut, propeller shaft, propellers, direction LEDs, that is basically for indicators, LED indicators, camera modules fits inside the particular drone. We have having the supports like adhesive types, landing gears also. We have compass also in this case. Also we having the battery compartment over here, which is fits inside the housing, which is known as the powerhouse of the particular drone. So guys, this is basically the circuit diagram of a drone, showing the various modules or various the components inside the drone. The first one is the battery, which is the lithium ion battery, having the 400 milliampere or 500 milliampere. The next one is the PDB, that is squid or splied wires, which is known as the power distribution board, which spreads the power comes from the battery to the various parts of your drone, that is ESC and motors and flight controllers. It distributes the power from the battery to all the components of the drone. The next one is the flight controller. So guys, the main function of the flight controller is to regulate the RPM of each motor, that is means each rotor has to be rotate on a same speed. The next one we have got over here is the control receiver, which receives the signals from your input, that is from your remote. The next one we have got is the electronic speed control, which is ESC. That is the main purpose of ESC is to vary the speed of the servo motor. It can vary also, and it can reverse the direction of the rotation of your particular servo motor. And the last one is the servo motor, which is having the propeller shaft mounted on the particular servo motor. So guys, these are the various parts. You can shop this part from online also to make your own drone. So guys, the next comes is basically the application of the drone, which is the very vast. It can be used in the agricultural to the engineered level. A drone can actually measure the distance. So guys, the distance measuring drone which is known as the survey drone or the mapping drone also. So guys, in this image you can see that a drone have been measured a particular distances. So it can fly upon your city and capture the moments, capture the pictures also of the particular key plan or the key area. It can measure the geographical conditions also out at the targeted area upon which it flies. It can also measure the distance traveled within the respective units, that is in the kilometers and meters or foots, whatever it is, so that someone could plan and study the entire area at or we can call it as spotted location. The next one is the inspection. So guys, there are several units, like we can call it as the nuclear power plants. There are nuclear power plants which is very hazardous to go a person inside that particular power plant, and all the hazardous gases are over there. So in this case, we can use a particular drone to inspect what is inside of the nuclear power plant or in that particular hazardous area. The next one is the security purposes. So guys, this drone is very, and my favorite, this is having the camera module fits inside and having the lot of key functions over here, which is mainly intended for the security purposes, guys. So it can track, follow, highlight a person by projecting a light on him. So it can project a light on him, guys, which is followed by the siren. Oh wow, that's great. And it can also having the remote wake up to the user. It becomes very easy to capture the moving person from all the angles, so that the camera module has been fits inside the particular drone. So guys, the next one is the shipping drone. Yeah, you heard me right. This is the example of Amazon Prime Air. So guys, this is the concept, basically the Amazon Prime Air. In future, the drones can do the shipments of your orders, so which is saving of a lot of time. So guys, you can see here, which is Amazon Prime Air. So guys, the next one is the drone racing. Wow, that sounds great. A drone racing, wow, it's going inside this particular rings. So guys, we can actually have fun with the drones. We can actually race with our respective drones. So guys, this is also the national level and international level competition by participating into this particular drone racing. So guys, that was basically all about the drones. I'll make more videos on this particular topic. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please hit like. If you have any doubts and queries, you can comment below. If you have and also please share my video to all your engineering friends and families and all your respect colleagues also. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel AIM-AMIE, and the last one, please press this bell icon so you will get notified of my latest videos. Thank you guys.